Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question from exponents. Let's see how we can solve this. Here we are given an expression with 5 terms which are added together, and we need to check that the final value of this expression is divisible by which integer. Okay, it is divisible by 3, 5, 7 or 11. We need to check that. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this. To start solving this, I will be rewriting few terms. This term 4 raised to power 62, 8 raised to power 42 and 4 raised to power 64 in a different way. So how we can write this in a different way? 4 raised to power 62. Can I write 4 as 2 raised to power 2? Yes. Now if I solve this, simplify this further, I will get 2 raised to power 124. How? I am using an exponent rule. If we have a raised to power m raised to power n, the powers gets multiplied, m times n. This is the rule that I am using. The similar rule I'll be using for the next two terms, that is 8 raised to power 42. So how we can write 8? We can write it as 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 42. Correct? So if now 3 and 42 are multiplied, we will get 2 raised to power 124. Third term, 4 raised to power 64. We can write 4 as 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 64, and we will get 2 raised to power 128. Correct? Now, why we have written this in a different way, we will see. Now, let's rewrite this expression, the whole expression. We can write it as 2 raised to power 122 plus second term, we can write it as 2 raised to power 124. Third term, we can write it as 2 raised to power, sorry, this is 126. I think I have not written it correctly. This is 126. Okay. So this is 126. 2 raised to power 126 plus 2 raised to power 128. And the last term is 2 raised to power 130. Correct? Now it's like a GP, geometric progression. If you know what is a geometric progression, it becomes easy for you to solve this. Now, for those who don't know what is the geometric progression, we can solve it in a different way. Now, for the second term, we can write this expression in a different way. 2 raised to power 122. We can write the second term as 2 raised to power 122 times 2 raised to power 2. Similarly, we can write the third term as 2 raised to power 122 times 2 raised to power 4. Fourth term can be written as 2 raised to power 122 times 2 raised to power this will be 6, 2 raised to power 6 plus 2 raised to power 122 times 2 raised to power 8. Why we can write it like this? Because there is an exponent rule which says a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Whenever the base is same and the powers are different and the terms are multiplied, the powers are added. Yes, this is the rule. Now look at the second term. If you use this rule, you will get 2 raised to power 124. Look at the third term. If you use this rule, you will get 2 raised to power 126. Similarly, here you will get 2 raised to power 128. Similarly, here you will get 2 raised to power 130. Correct? Let me erase this. Now, once we are using this rule, you will find that out of all these terms, except the first term, you will find that there is a term, there is a number which can be taken common. That is 2 raised to power 122. Correct? Now we will be left with 1 plus 2 square plus 2 raised to power 4 plus 2 raised to power 6 plus 2 raised to power 8. Correct? Let's simplify this further. We will get 2 raised to power 122, 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 256. Let's simplify this further. We will get 2 raised to power 122 times this will be 341. Correct? Now we need to check. See, this whole expression can be written like this. Yes, the whole expression can be written like this. Yes. Now we have to check this thing, this final answer 2 raised to power 122 times 341 is divisible by which number? 3, 5, 7 or 11. Now forget about 2 raised to power 122. Let's focus on 341. Do you think it is divisible by 3, 341? No, it is not divisible by 3. So that means this whole this whole answer will be not divisible by 3. So 3 is negated. Let's check. 341 is divisible by 5? No, it is not ending with 0 or 5. So it is not divisible by 5. Let's check. Is it divisible by 7? No, it is not. Let's check with 11. Is it divisible by 11? 11 times 30, this will give us 200, 2 raised to power 122 times 11 times 3 is 33, 31. Okay, so 341 is definitely divisible by 11, and we are getting this. That means this whole number is divisible by 11. If 341 is divisible by 11, the whole number is divisible by 11. That means our final answer, this question mark that we are trying to find out, is 11. Yes, this whole expression, the value of this whole expression is divisible by 11. Correct? I hope you understood this well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.